Hello, friends. Once Albert Einstein said that logic will take you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere in the universe. It doesn't take time for that. Our universe is so vast that traveling from one end to another would take you millions of years, and many generations will pass in your lifetime, but your exploration is still incomplete. At such times, even thinking about estimating the universe is not feasible. But today, in our video, let's wander in the universe with those thoughts. We'll try to understand space with imagination and also combine logic. This is an attempt to understand the universe. To understand the universe, we need to travel from one end of the Earth to the other. Therefore, let's start our journey from Earth. Our world is always a mystery to us. There are many questions about the origin of this universe. Humanity has been trying to find answers to these questions throughout its history. The Earth revolves around the Sun, and our Earth, along with the Sun, revolves in the galaxy. It has only completed this galactic orbit 20 times in the past 4 billion years. From this, you can understand how vast the galaxy is. Traveling from Earth to the Sun is a distance of 150 million kilometers. A person walking at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour would take 325,000 years to reach the Sun. At the speed of light, we can reach the Sun in 8 minutes. The Sun is traveling at 200 kilometers per second. The Milky Way galaxy, in which our Sun revolves, has many secrets. The Parker Solar Probe, a human-made spacecraft, is traveling at a speed of 7 million kilometers per hour. It would take 20 million years to reach the galaxy. That's why this attempt was abandoned. Traveling at the speed of light would take many thousands of years. The Milky Way galaxy is moving through space at a speed of approximately 600 kilometers per second. In such a large universe, galaxies move like beads on a string. There are over 200 billion galaxies in our universe. All these galaxies have many stars, and there are countless planets like our Earth. There might even be Earth-like environments in those planets. There could be beings like us there as well. If we travel further, we'll go beyond our imagination because the universe keeps expanding. This is known as the observable universe, meaning the part of the universe we can observe. However, the story doesn't end there. That's where it begins. So where is the end of our universe? Is there an end? If there is an end, where is the limit? What is beyond the universe? Is it possible to know these calculations? Are there other universes like the one we are seeing? If we are in a multiverse, there is ample scope for an infinite universe. This means that a universe that is infinite, according to Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, would be curved in a specific geometric way in three-dimensional empty space. If our universe has positive curvature, it would be like the curved surface of a beach ball, but in 3D space instead of 2D. If you are living in this flat version of the cosmos, you wouldn't need an infinite amount of paint to cover your 2D universe. However, there is no boundary or edge on the surface. In contrast, a negatively curved universe is like a higher dimensional version of a spring that bends up along one axis and down along another. However, the universe would be infinitely expanding. Cosmologists have been trying to measure the large-scale curvature of space for the past few decades. Combined with theoretical arguments, recent results suggest that we are living in a geometrically flat universe. On one hand, it is convenient to imagine large-scale space curvature as our brains are not very good at it. Here, too, we had to describe our 3D universe as a 2D version. On the other hand, this means our universe is infinitely large and only a tiny part of the universe we can observe. It turns out that our infinite universe is expanding, and you might start wondering how our infinite universe expands. So let's revisit the 2D analogy. If you've seen how the size of a grid on graph paper increases, you can logically determine that the paper is expanding. Even if the paper is infinitely large, you will always reach the same conclusion. The same applies to the infinite universe. Above all, infinity times is still infinity. If the universe is finite, then our thoughts would also stop there. Otherwise, our thoughts would have no end. Then why think about the infinite universe? When attempting to understand the infinite universe, it might scare you or open your eyes. The infinite universe contains all kinds of materials, but don't assume that it resembles Earth. While there might be planets like Earth in this universe, they might not be exactly the same. There could be Earth-like conditions with humans there as well. Every person's life here might be as real as it is, but on other planets, there could be strange environments and strange creatures. The lives of people on those planets might be different or even greater than ours. Not only could they be different, but the same processes happening in our bodies might also be occurring there. There might also be different processes happening. Here, you might have failed in one aspect, but if you believe that there are people like you in this universe, then those who have gone through the cycle of childhood, youth, and old age might be hiding somewhere in the universe. Otherwise, we don't know where they are or what they are doing. When we watch movies, a disclaimer says that the characters are purely imaginary, but such characters might exist on other planets in the universe. Things you've read in history books might be happening somewhere else. Thinking about the infinite universe keeps bringing up infinite realities. The past, present, and future of our universe might exist simultaneously. There might be not only people similar to humans, but also technologically advanced beings. That's why our search for aliens is still inconclusive. Just as evolution occurs on Earth, there might be significant evolution happening on other planets as well. There could be highly intelligent creatures among ants, or humans might lack such intelligence. Such a universe could exist. In the universe, all this is possible. There might be beings more intelligent than us, who might even harness more solar energy. They might fully utilize the galaxy and have the power to travel from one planet to another. They might possess advanced technologies like time travel, which are beyond our imagination. There could also be antimatter in place of matter. There might be many planets in this infinite universe. However, the universe we are observing is very small. Even in this infinite universe, questions like why we are here and what the purpose behind our existence is arise. People like Elon Musk have provided some explanations in their own way. Although it is a fact that we have the potential to fully utilize human development, it might end someday. We need to understand that reality. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe now and click on the bell icon next to it. Let's meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.